Mutongoria wa Bururi niwe William Samoei Ruto omothe atinda thukuru-ini wake Biraru kuria Kuhumba Biraru Thumbi guku agicokeria thukuru uyu ngatho ni undu wa gukorwo magithomithia Biraru.
To the graduates, remember that your journey of learning and leadership has just begun. You will face complexity, difficulty, uncertainty, volatility, and adversity. Have confidence that your education in strategic thought and management has prepared you to perceive and utilize opportunities with fortitude and with integrity.
Oho mutongoria wa bururi ni akorirwo gikenio ni undu wa wongerereku wa Airitu Biraru-ini guku akiuga ati wongerereku wa Airitu ministry no ni kuonania ati ministry ni aruta wira wega.
I am gratified to see the increasing number of female officers among participants each year. This commitment to gender inclusivity reflects the Ministry of Defense dedication to fostering diverse and capable leadership. And I am very proud that the commandant of our Air Force is a woman.
Oho mutongoria wa bururi ni akorirwo akiruta muhiano na andu aria magereire thukuru-ini uyu akiheana muhiano na General Julius Karangi, General Samson Mwethethe, General Robert Kibochi na mutigaire General Francis Ogora uria urakorirwo kihuruka ni undu wa mutino wa ndege. Mutongoria wa bururi ndanariganirwo ni mutongoria wa tene wa Biraru wa Tanzania na mutongoria wa Biraru wa tene wa Uganda guku agicokeria ngatho KDF ni undu wa wira mwega mararuta wa guthomithia Biraru.
I am delighted to announce that the Ministry of Defense, in collaboration with the United States government, is building a new tuition facility for the college in response to the growing demand of National Defense College's esteemed courses.
Kiribotera Muthingi TV, aritwa riakwa ni Kamau wa Kahonoki.